the water go?
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel, or should I say, I don't know, welcome back in general. It's been a minute, okay, and I'm gonna share everything with you guys. It's been great. It's been a roller coaster. Let's just say that. As you guys know, JB and I and Jackson, we went to Hawaii. I'm going to insert footage. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. If you guys would like for me to do an entire vlog just about Hawaii, I will. But I'm just gonna show a few highlights and show you a few things that we got while we're in Hawaii. It's an amazing place to visit. It is beautiful. It's special just because JB and I went there for a honeymoon, and then to be able to go back with Jackson 11 years later was amazing. We did a little bit of shopping. To my surprise, I didn't know this, but in Hawaii things are, especially a luxury item, are a little bit cheaper than the mainland. The prices tend to be between 10 to 15% lower, and then the taxes is nowhere close to what we're paying on goods over here in Maryland. So with that in mind, we did a bit of something, okay? But today I'm gonna show you a few things, not everything that I got, but a few things that we got for the house, and I want to share one of my gifts that I got from my husband for our 11th wedding anniversary. But I know it's the holiday season. I'm working on getting the house done. I'm almost done. I am, I know in certain areas I'm done, in other areas I'm not. And I think being gone for almost 2 weeks is a setback. So I'm hoping to have the house fully decorated and ready to do a home tour, hopefully sometime next week. Or you guys tell me below, would you rather see room by room to see how each room look, or would you rather see a full walkthrough home tour? That video will be extremely long. I personally lean towards room by room, so you guys can just kind of see and enjoy each space, and then probably the end, just do just a quick walkthrough, or just like a nice little visual moment. So let me know what you guys would like to see, and I will go ahead and do that. But while I was in Hawaii, listen, it just so happened that our hotel was right next door to the largest mall on the island, and it's called the Ala Moana Shopping Center. We were right next to it. So we did some stuff, and while we're there was Black Friday. So with that in mind, additional deal on top of deal, so we did that. But of course I had to get some Jo Malone, and you know, I'm gonna just show you guys what I did. So I got this is JB stuff, but I'll show you anyway because I just picked it up. So I got JB some cologne from Jo Malone. This is the Jo Malone Red Hibiscus. It smells so good. I think this is it's a limited scent. That's what we're told. It smelled really good. Hey Jay, I think this bottle was like, JB, I think this was maybe 100 and something. It was maybe like 150 or closer to 200, but it's really good. So I got him that. My husband would never buy himself these things, so I had to do that. And I think I got him another one. It's the package for me. And listen, I carried it wrapped up like this from Hawaii, okay? Because I was like, it's a moment. Okay, this is another one. It's so good. So Jo Malone have this collection called the Huntsman collection. I got him one from it. This one is called the Assam and Grapefruit, but I think it's like 4 in the collection. I'm going to get him out of 3, but this is what it's called. So if you guys are looking for a gift for your husband to just try something different, Jo Malone is really good. And the good thing I like about it is unisex, so I can get like a little bit of, you know what I mean, a little spray if I want to. But I think together both of these cologne came to maybe around $300 or so. So definitely, this might be a good, maybe I should do a gift guide too. I'm going to do a gift guide. A gift guide would be a good idea. Like a luxury gift guide, then a realistic gift guide. So when I was there, I was like, you know what? I want to invest and get some nice hand soap and some nice lotion, especially for or half, what is it called? Like a, what is it called? The bathroom right here. No, half bath. I'm still figuring out. Hey, so I got some hand lotion, and I got some hand lotion and hand soap from Jo Malone. This is okay. Before I show you guys, my favorite scent in Jo Malone is the Peony and Blush Suede. So I always get this in the candle. So I got this in the lotion, right? There you go. And I also got the matching hand soap. I'm really big on, like, at this time of the year, just to put a little bit nicer scent into the bathrooms, especially where, you know, anybody come over gonna use. So I'm gonna get something also nice for the basement. So I got the matching and soap as well. It's really, really good, right? So I'm gonna show you what I got from one of my gifts that I got from JB for my anniversary. If y'all know me, y'all know me. So let me show you. So while we're in Hawaii, I went to most of the luxury stores. I went to Loewe. That was my first time going to a Loewe store. I've heard of the brand, love the pieces that I saw. Went to a Fendi store, went into all the stores. But one thing that when we were going to the store, I said to JB, I don't know, I feel very uncomfortable going to the store sometimes, just because I'm Black, okay? And we get treated differently when you go into some of these quote-unquote high-end store. But for some reason, I pushed through and I went. And honestly, the service was amazing. No one followed you around. They allow you to shop. They assign a personal shopper with you, and they give you time to just walk around and look and just kind of try things on. No pressure to buy, and it was fun. So if you guys, you know, feel some kind of way going visiting some of these stores, I would tell you guys, push through and go, because you deserve to be in the space. Okay? We deserve to be in any space that we desire to go into. So don't feel ashamed. Even if you're not going to buy nothing, go in there, try the things on. They don't know. They don't know. And if for some reason you feel uncomfortable, address the issue. But do not be afraid, or don't be intimidated to walk into any store you desire to go into. Christian Dior, Chanel, whatever it is. Girl, we went into Rolex. We went to Cartier. Just to look. Ain't nothing wrong with looking and getting ideas, because you may want to make like a wish list of things that you want to get. I know for me, I've always wanted a Cartier bracelet. JB always wanted a Rolex watch. So we went in there, kind of to see what we like. We'll put on our list and say, you know what? This is something we're going to work towards, that we're going to treat ourselves to. So do it. So we went to Gucci, and so he got me. This is the Gucci Ophelia top handle bag. It comes with the gold hardware on it. I think this is the newest version within this collection that just came up recently. Normally when I do buy a luxury purse, I tend to get like tote bags for some reason, which I was going to get a tote bag. I'm going to insert a picture of the one I was going to get, but I took some time to think about to see what works best with my style, what I can get the most wear off. Because one thing that I realized when I buy these luxury tote bag, I also got to get the insert, and most of the time right now the stores don't have the insert, so I feel like it ain't working for me. So I went ahead and got this one. So on the mainland here in Maryland, the regular price is $24.50. In Hawaii, the price was, what was the price? Like $2,100 or something? You found it for me? Okay. Hold on, I'm going to read it to you. JB has brought me his phone. I'm going to read it to you, the detail about the bag. Hold on. Thank you. Because So I want to tell you, you know, just some more information about it, because I am not claiming to call myself someone who knows it all, because I don't. So Gucci top handle. Okay, so as I said before, it is called the Ophidia. It's called the Ophidia small top handle bag with web. It also came with another strap, a longer strap. I think it should be inside. I used it while I was in Hawaii. Okay, so it came with this longer strap. They can probably even rock it as a crossbody. And right away, I started using the bag without worrying about insert or anything like that. And when I asked the salesperson in the store why this small bag costs more than the tote bag, his response was, "It's the thing that stands out about it is the hardware, you know, the gold hardware." So I'm like, okay, cool, we go with that. But seriously, it is okay. So the description is as follows: beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas, the brown leather trim, shiny gold tone hardware, the green and red webbings, which is like, you know, their standard color print. It's lined with microfiber lining. The double G, which is the print, which is, you know, what you see on it, and also you have the double G also on the handle. But overall, this bag will fit a cell phone. That is key. That is so important. And I'm going to invest in like one of their smaller leather goods, like a little card holder to kind of put my cards and stuff in, because I like to have the entire thing. You know what I mean? I like to do that, but it's really good and I really love it. We did also go into the Fender store. Guys, I'm going to insert a picture of what I saw in the Fender store. This is my first time going to a Fender store, and I love the bags, okay? But this is one of the gifts I got from my husband. I would definitely treasure this. I'm loving this vibe right here. But if you guys want to see more of what I got from Hawaii, tell me below. As a matter of fact, I'm going to share it, okay? So you guys can plan for your trip next year, you know, in the summertime or in, you know, in the winter time, because it's that good. And I think there is do's and don'ts, because there were some don'ts, okay? I'm not going to show it in this video. Now that we get to the end of it, I want to do Vlogmas, but I can't do it every day, y'all. I just can't. I can't, but I'm going to try to post more often. Tell me what you guys would like to see throughout December, and I would do my very best to kind of cater to those requests. I'm thinking gift guides, you know, luxury gift guide and a realistic gift guide. That's what I'm thinking. I'm also doing the home tour. We're doing some home updates. I'm going to talk to you guys about that as well. So right now, I'm really trying to post 2 times a week. That's just my typical posting schedule before vacation. Excuse me. And I'm going to include some shorts and also some live to kind of fill in the Vlogmas feel of it, to kind of give you guys a more, you know, up-to-date stuff of what's going on in my crazy life within this Christmas season. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Got me a little decoration going on here in the office, but I so much appreciate you guys. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are getting ready for just Christmas. If you guys don't celebrate Christmas, hope you just getting a chance to kind of get together with your families and just kind of create just really great memories. I appreciate y'all so much for hanging with me. Thank you so much for the well wishes on our anniversary. I thank y'all so much. So let me get off. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This is the walk back to our hotel. There's JB and Jackson in front. That's where we're coming from. Look at the view. The sunset is happening. Look at that. Oh, guys, this vacation has been amazing. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and back to some home decor content. Don't forget,